Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be installing some AUXITO LED bulbs, high and low beam, into my car. Now, as you guys know, my car is fully converted to LEDs already. So for the purposes of this video, I did switch them back to halogen, well, just the headlights, the high and low beam, just to give you guys a good, honest review of how bright LED is versus halogen. Now, these are a premium bulb, which would give you a better output compared to the cheaper LED bulbs on the market there. Now, if you guys are interested in these bulbs, I will be leaving links in the description below for you guys to purchase these. And if you guys do decide to purchase them, you can use my 15% off discount code, which of course gives you 15% off your order. And I'll be putting it on the screen here as well as down on the description below. Anyways, let's continue on with the review. All right guys, let's unbox this and see what we got here. It is nicely packaged, so let's get the plastic wrap off of this first. And then let's open this up. All right. So it comes with a pair of gloves, which is pretty awesome. So you don't want to get any of your bulbs or anything dirty. So that's awesome. Comes with some zip ties and some extra O-rings. And a owner's or product manual on the installation. Here is the product itself. This set here is the 9005. So it is the high beam, but it looks really nice and good quality here. So we will go ahead and now put these in the car. All right, before we get on with the installation, I just wanted to give you guys a close-up look at this. These look so nice. And it's got a nice fan on the back here, as well as these have its own, I guess, driver as well. And it's nicely branded AUXITO here. So that's a close-up look of these LED bulbs. Both the high beam and low beam, the 9005 and 9006, look exactly the same. So we'll go ahead and put these in the car. All right, guys, to replace the bulb is pretty straightforward. All you do is unplug this plug here and just push the tab in and pull it down. Then you spin this counterclockwise, and then you can just pull the bulb up afterwards like that. It's the same process for the high beam. However, because I have AC here, I'm gonna have to take this off because the relays are kind of in the way, if you can see. It's probably easier on the other side, the driver's side, but the passenger side has this here. So I'll have to remove this bracket, and after I remove the bracket, then I can pop this out. So I'm just gonna do that quick, and then we're gonna install the AUXITO bulbs. All right, so we've got the new bulb here. All we're gonna be doing is just popping it into this housing here, like so. It just goes straight on. And the same process, reverse order, all you do is twist this and it's already locked in place. And then this is where the driver goes, so it just plugs into the old adapter right here. Because I'm doing this with one hand, it's a little bit difficult, but like that, and it's plugged in. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest, the high beam and the other side, and then we're gonna test these bad boys out. Check out how bright that is, guys. This is with high beam on. Alright guys, the bulbs are fully installed and they look amazing. I'm very impressed with the quality and brightness of these bulbs. They're far brighter than the cheap LED bulbs that I originally had in the car, which comes to no surprise. So if you guys are looking for a set of these 9006 or 9005 bulbs, I will be leaving links in the description below so you guys can go check them out, as well as links to AUXITO's website so that you guys can actually check out a wide range of their LEDs. They actually offer all the LEDs to convert this car completely to LEDs, as well as a wide range of other cars. As well, right here, I'll be putting in my discount code and in the description so you guys can get 15% off your order if you guys decide to purchase. Anyways, I hope this video helps you guys out. If you haven't already, please comment, like, and subscribe, and share my videos. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.